New at 11, a warning tonight from the Ohio Department of Health. Flu-related illnesses are on the rise. Last week, the number of hospitalizations in Ohio jumped from less than 100 to more than 200. NBC4's Candace Lee joins us live now with more on why this influenza is suddenly spiking so late in the season. Candace?
You know, Mike, health officials tell me that it is not uncommon for the flu to have a spike here in March. Typically, here in Ohio, we would have seen hundreds of flu cases reported, but this year it's a little bit different. And health officials are saying it's probably because more people are just starting to get out.
The flu is making late rounds around Ohio, peaking in March instead of January and February.
This year's viruses are different than the ones that we had circulating last year. We're seeing mainly an H1N1 as the main one, and last year it was an H3N2.
The Ohio Department of Health tracks the cases of flu-related hospitalizations statewide. 2 weeks ago, there were just 93 confirmed influenza-associated hospitalizations. Then last week, a spike of 203 new cases. So far this flu season, there have been 653 cases in all.
I know that flu can peak late, so I was kind of waiting to see whether or not we're going to have a late peak, and so I'm not surprised that we're starting to see influenza right now.
Jose Rodriguez with Columbus Public Health says we've been lucky.
It has been a significantly different season from last year. This time last year we would have had over 400 hospitalizations. This year we only have a few.
Rodriguez credits the low flu numbers to how well this year's vaccine was matched and the availability of it. In years past, shortages kept people waiting, including those in high-risk categories, children, the elderly, and the very sick. And with travel season ahead, health officials say, protect yourself.
It's not too late to get a flu shot. The flu season will go into the summer.
And health officials expect to continue to see that rise in flu cases over the next several weeks. With plenty of vaccine available, they say now is a perfect time to get vaccinated if you haven't already, especially if you have plans to travel this coming spring and summer. Reporting live in Columbus, Candace Lee, NBC4.